Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 could not automatically detect this network proxy settings error on your 10 and 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing this error, Windows 10 or Windows 11 could not automatically detect this network proxy settings error, then I'll show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on the start menu, then search for settings, or just click on the settings. In left side you will find network and internet, click on this. In right side, here you will find proxy, click on this. In this you will find here manual proxy setup, just click on this setup. If this option is enabled, you have to just disable this option. Just click on save and close this window. Then open the CMD, just click on this search menu, then click run as administrator. Then type here NETSH space winsock reset. Then hit enter. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 10 or 11 could not automatically detect this network proxy settings error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.